So here we are calculating the area of the rectangle. We are going down, making a line around. That is 4 centimeter. Width and length is 8 centimeter. Go up 4 centimeter and go to your left 8 centimeter. So the area of the rectangle is how much part do you color. So look the area that you colored. So you color the whole rectangle and that is the area you find out. So area means how much portion do you color. We are finding the area. A equals, so the length is 8 centimeter, the width is 4 centimeter, so 8 times 4. Now to calculate 8 times 4, we will write 8 4 times. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Now we can draw 8 dots. In each of the 8, we can draw under that 8 dots. Now we count all the dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So our area is 32 centimeters square. 32 centimeter square. Got it? So we painted the whole rectangle. So when we say find the area of the rectangle, that means how many part are you coloring. So the area that you covered, that is the area of the rectangle, and that is 32 centimeters square.